Hi friends, welcome to UPSC World. This is Dr. Harinath Reddy. We are going to start a general essay program from coming Monday. The session will get started from 5:30 p.m. on coming Monday. Then UPSC prelims results have come and there are many who have not cleared the prelims exam. Don't get bothered about your failure in the prelims exam. This is the time for you to focus on the mains exam. You may as well ask me a question, sir, if we are not clearing the prelims exam, what is the point in preparing the mains exam, preparing for the mains exam? See, next year 2026 prelims, even if you clear after the prelims exam, you are left with only 2.5 to 3 months. Within that period, covering the optional and the 5 GS papers is impossible. So, this is the time for you to focus on your mains exam from July to December. There are certain important things which you must do from July to December. At least try to cover your optional, general essay, ethics. And out of the remaining 3 papers, you at least try to cover one more paper. Then you are left with only 2 papers. And GS1 and GS2, they overlap with the prelims exam. When you start your focus on the prelims from January next year, you can as well read history, geography, polity, IR. Along with your prelims, you can simultaneously prepare for the mains exam. So GS1, GS2, for both prelims and mains, you do these 2 papers next year starting from January 2026. But in the period from July to December, complete your optional, ethics, essay and GS paper 3. You all know that in the mains exam, there are 3 areas which are very scoring, highly scoring. One is your essay paper, ethics paper and your optional. If you take the general essay paper, in the past there are students like Gaurav Agarwal who scored 176 marks in the essay paper out of 250. In 2017 mains exam, Apurva Pandey, she got 175 marks in the essay paper. So that is the highest limit which you can stretch yourself. Then comes next ethics paper. The highest score in the ethics paper till now, it is 162 marks. Then finally comes your optional subject. So the highest marks which a student gets in the optional is 320, which means on an average 160 marks per paper. So these are the 3 areas which are very scoring and you must focus on these 3 areas. For today I will focus on the essay paper. The first question is, sir, in what way you are suitable to teach us the general essay strategy? See, when I took my mains exam in 2010 mains, 11 mains, 15 mains, my scores were, in 2010 my score was 120. Remember, in 2010 and 11 the general essay paper was only for 200 marks. The earlier pattern, essay is for 200 marks. There are 4 essays out of which you have to write 1 essay. If it is 120 for 200, now the essay paper is 250 marks. Then if you convert that to 250, it will be 150, which means in 2010, for a 200 I got 120 marks. But if it were to be 250, my score would be 150. Even in 2011, my score was 121, which means again 150 marks. In 2010 mains exam, I had 2 friends. One is Pommala Sunil Kumar, who got All India 18th rank, Karnataka cadre IAS. Then there is one more friend, Mantri Govind Rao, who got All India 31st rank, Tamil Nadu cadre. In 2010 mains exam, their scores in the general essay were below my score. They got 112, 113, but my score was 120 for 200, which means it is 150 for 250. So in 2010 mains exam, in 2011 mains exam, effectively my score was 150 for 250. But if you take in 2015 mains exam, my score has come down. it was 122. Out of 3 mains exam, I scored high in the essay paper twice. So with all that experience, believe me, I am trying to tell you my own experiences with the general essay paper. So my advice to the students is, why is it that you don't want such a high score in the essay paper? Why can't you aim scoring 175 marks in the essay paper? Is it so difficult? Absolutely no. There are certain things. There are certain requirements. See, general essay paper is something which needs a lot of clarity on a topic in multi-dimensional angle. So you should have a 360-degree angle and a clarity on a particular topic. So this comes by wide reading. So without reading very widely, without improving your clarity on a particular topic, you cannot write a general essay answer convincing and attracting the examiner. So the real problem for the students is they don't have enough time before them to summarize, to get clarity, to get a 360-degree angle view on the topics which are relevant. For example, in the past questions have come on inclusive growth, sustainable development, federalism, local governance. These are content-based essays. So here what is the role of the teacher? A teacher like me can greatly help in reducing the burden on you for preparing the general essay paper. How exactly? For example, I had a lot of interest to prepare for the essay and to teach for the general essay. Believe me, in the last 10 years, I have read very widely and extensively on multiple topics which are important for the general essay. So all the important articles which have come in the Hindu, in the Indian Express, all the important committee reports of the central government, like on education, like on health, and similarly the reports of Niti Aayog. So I have read them over a period of 1 decade and have internalized the knowledge related to these topics. So if you have a teacher who can make it more easy to command and master these areas, your load will greatly come down. If you have to read by yourself so many topics which are important for the general essay, then you have a terrible challenge. You need to read multiple articles, you need to arrange, you need to make notes in a structured manner. So that will all take away your valuable time from the exam. So please don't do that. If there is a teacher whom you can rely very comfortably, who can get you the notes required for that, and then who can teach you, making it more easy to get a 360-degree angle view on a particular topic, your load will greatly come down. So that we will do in the general essay program. We are planning to conduct the general essay program for 88 days. Every 4 days there will be a test. You have to write 2 essay answers, which means there will be 22 tests and you will be writing 44 essay answers. This is a lot of practice. And we are going to teach you 22 general essay topics, covering both content-based essays and also philosophical essays. I said every essay test 4 days. The first day, we will try to teach you the strategy for writing a good general essay answer. Then the next day, the next 4 days, the first day, we will take up 1 or 2 topics, take 2 hours of time, provide you the concise notes on the topic to you. We will teach you for 1.5 to 2 hours, making you more comfortable with the topic in multiple dimensions. The second and third day, you need to work on the topic further, come up with a structure for the essay, then get approval from us. And on the fourth day, you are going to write an answer. You need to write 2 essay answers. On the same day, the answers are corrected, you are given the feedback, you are told about your strengths, you are told about the areas where you need to improve upon. And simultaneously, we will tell you how the toppers like Apurva Pandey and Gaurav Agarwal could score very high in the general essay. We will also help you to learn from their answers to make your answers much more better. So this is the approach. So we will also, when we teach the general essay topics in a cycle of 4 days, on the first day, after 2 hours of class, we will also try to initiate a discussion in the classroom. The students speak about that. Then once you are allowed to speak on that, there will be an opportunity for peer learning. So what you learn through peers, through your friends, along with the teacher, will be better reinforced in your memory, and you will have more ease in writing the general essay answers. So that's our idea. And when it comes to general essay answers, why some students are alone able to score very high marks? Probably the reasons are, there are certain established rules for writing a good general essay. I don't know how many of you are aware of that. It is clearly laid down in your UPSC notification as well. It's not only that, if some of you are preparing for APPSC Group 1 mains exam, in the mains syllabus, APPSC has clearly spelled out, when you write the general essay answer, what is that is expected from you. So I will take you through all of these, so patiently listen to me. I will first try to take you to APPSC syllabus, where the rules for writing the essay answer are laid down. From there we will move to UPSC notification, and let us see what UPSC is demanding from you when you write the general essay answer. If you take initially APPSC Group 1, see,